Welcome to M2 Host. Today we will learn how to access/configure the settings so that the webmail can be accessed from the Gmail interface. Then let's start. First, open your Gmail account and click on the Settings icon. Then click on the See All Settings option. Click on the Account and Import tab. Scroll down to check mail from other accounts and click on the Add a Mail account. A new window will be displayed. Enter the webmail address that you want to configure in Gmail. Click on the Next button here, and you will find two options. Select Import Email from My Other Account, POP3, and click Next. In the username field, enter your complete email address. Below that, enter the password. Below, you will find some additional options. Check these boxes according to your needs. Then click on the Add Account option. Then click on the Yes option and click Next. Enter the name you want displayed to the receiver when you send an email. Check the box if you want to use this address as an alias. Then click on the Next Step option. Enter your SMTP server details, username, and password to configure your outgoing server settings. Then click the Add Account option. Check the mail and click on the Confirm Settings link. You will also receive an email with confirmation. All your emails from a webmail are now synced to your Gmail inbox. While sending emails, you can choose from which email ID you want to send. Thanks for watching the video, and for more updates, please subscribe to our channel.